It's now time to finish this conference, and I don't know if you are like me, but at the end of such conference, I always feel a little bit sad, because during these days, you meet people that you have not seen since several years, and you exchange, and that's always a sad moment where it's time to leave. But okay, we have to go like that. But that's why we decide that this conference needs a future. And one of the traits for this, of this future will be a dedicated website. I put the address here. So be careful, the address is not exactly the address of the conference. There is a minus between neutrino minus history.ein2p3.fr. So this website describes some of the topics, many of the topics that we have discussed during the conference. But I would say something which is rather unusual is a database of nearly 600 references now of the main historical papers on all the subjects that we have treated, which that you can search and sort in different ways. So this website that we have developed in the last months has been put online today, although some pages are not yet completely finished and are still under development. But it's also conceived as a lively website, as now we are doing. So really, it offers the possibility to have comments, and really these comments are really welcome, because during all this conference, we have testimony and personal opinion of different, on the different subjects. And it will be nice if some of these comments will be put on the website, as we usually do. If you are not familiar with that, I'm sure that if you ask to your grandson, they are extremely familiar how to go and put comments everywhere. So please do it. Obviously, these comments we are obliged to moderate, so somebody will filter out unwanted remarks, because we cannot, if we open the box, we can have stupid people which profit of that. This website and also the conference website will be complemented in the next days or weeks with your slide. Later on, with your written contribution. Like,
the slides are already there.
With the video interviews, because some of us have been interviewed by video, and all the audience and all the talks were also recorded by video, and obviously illustrated by pictures. I remind the speakers that when they agree to participate to this conference, we warn them that they will be proceeding contrary to what is going on now on various conferences. So here they will be written proceeding, and I think it's fair to leave a testimony on print of all what has been said. The editors are Jacques Dumarchais, Daniel Vigneault, and Mathieu Vivier. So the normal talks, we think that the range could be 16 pages or less, but and for the poster around 5 pages. We'd like to receive most of the contribution, if possible, before the end of November, and detailing instruction to how to proceed, latex things or I don't know, are on this address, which will be on the website of the conference. As usual, we have to thank many people in such conference, and first of all, I will thank all the speakers we agree to participate to this conference nearly as soon as they have been solicited. They really follow what we were hoping to do, that they track the historical papers and research, and it was exactly what we had in mind with Daniel when we proposed this conference. I also thank them because most of them, or nearly all of them, keep the timing, which means that it allows for all the talks a lot of exchange, and again, it was something that we were expecting. We were not completely sure that it works, but it works very well. We have to thank also the member of the International Scientific Committee for valuable suggestion and reactive response. Unfortunately, TIL, which maybe has not there, has made a very valuable suggestion just yesterday evening. There is a lack of young people, unfortunately. And the suggestion of TIL was to oblige an inscription for all people will be accompanied by an inscription of young people for the same price. And I think it was not so bad idea. We have to thank our sponsors, and some have been extremely generous in order to make this conference happen. Some were only generous in the fact that they allow us to use freely their logo. But thanks to everyone. And obviously, we want to thank Sarodia and Vera, which were the, in French we say, cheville ouvrière. And I know that usually Sarodia is very shy, so if you want to applaud, you have to applaud very loudly because she doesn't want to appear. So. I want also to thank the university personnel, the people behind the window, which make all this presentation without any problem, and that's very fortunate. And also, obviously, the young physicists, Victoria, Anthony, Lorenzo, Marco, and Paul, which help us to have a smooth discussion. Now it's time to say farewell. So maybe you will enjoy Paris this weekend. You will return safely to your lab, to your home, and let's continue to write together the history of neutrino.